Hello guys, we are 𝐷𝐸 Solutions, a registered IT company. In this video, we will see how you can customize settings in the eSalesAnalyst point-of-sale POS software according to your business needs. Customizing settings. To customize the settings, click on the Settings module on the left sidebar and navigate to General Settings. The software can be used in both English and Urdu, and guess what? More languages like Chinese, Persian, and Korean will be added very soon. Warranty note running a veterinary store or a human medicine distribution business? No worries, you can easily print warranty receipts using this option. Want to add a warranty note? Just type it in. If you set it as default, it will be automatically printed on every bill. But hey, if you want more control, you can manually include it while generating an invoice or bill. Similarly, when making a receipt, you can add any note or warranty statement on bills. Yes, it's fully customizable. Just type what you need, and it's done. Receipts and invoices. A receipt is a small slip printed via a thermal printer or an 80mm printer, quick and convenient. An invoice? That's your large bill, printed on A4 size paper, perfect for records. Need a warranty note on your A4 invoices? Done. Want a disclaimer note on small receipts? You got it. Printer selection. Want to decide which invoice type to print? You have options, A4 invoices or thermal bills. Choose what suits your business best. And guess what? You can connect both printers at the same time. Just set a default printer and boom, your bills will be printed exactly how you need them. The default search criteria option is an incredibly useful feature. It lets you decide how far back the data should be displayed whenever you open a new form. Want to see data up to a month, a year, or a custom range? No problem. You can set a default range that suits your business needs and change it later if needed. The software offers two powerful search techniques, Smart Search and Left-to-Right Search. Smart Search is a game changer. You don't have to type the exact words, just type any part of the text and boom, the results pop up. For example, searching Analyst will still show eSalesAnalyst. Looking for point of sale? Just type software and it might show up. How cool is that? Printer settings. Choose what works best for you. Need a thermal billing printer for quick receipts or an A4 size printer for detailed invoices? You can attach both. If you mostly print small receipts, just set your thermal printer as the default. Super easy. But if you ever need an A4 sized bill, like for truck reports or detailed invoices, simply hit the report button. It's available on every form, ready when you need it. Signature file on invoices, add that professional touch. If you're a distributor, wholesaler, or dealing with warranty claims, this feature is a must-have. Want to attach a signature to your printed warranties? Just click Choose Signature, select your file, and you're done. Your invoices will look more official and trustworthy. FBR module, tax compliance made simple. Running a business in Pakistan? Need to integrate with FBR? No worries. If you're using FBR POS, every bill will automatically include your tax number and FBR number. To set it up, just contact our support team and they'll handle the rest. Sending bills via text messages, instant updates for your customers. Want to send bills and customer ledgers via text message? Yes, you can. But you'll need a quick setup with our support team. Business logo attachment. Make your brand stand out. Branding matters. Want your business logo to appear on your A4 invoices? Just upload an image, save it, and that's it. Now, every invoice will proudly display your logo, professional and polished. Settings. Total flexibility for your business. This feature is super important. It lets you define the units of measurement that fit your business perfectly. For example, sell medicine in both boxes and tablets? No problem. Set up multiple units like boxes and pieces. Dealing with electrical wires? Configure both meters and feet, whatever works best. Selling items in grams and kilograms? Easy. Just set multiple measurement units and switch whenever needed. You can even set a default unit for billing. Choose either the primary unit, base unit, or a secondary unit. Don't worry, you can always change it while making a bill. These are just some of the advanced features available in our point-of-sale POS software. Excited to get started? Purchase price settings. Choose how you want to track costs. When creating a bill, do you want to see the average purchase price or the last purchase price? This is an important accounting method. Some businesses prefer to track the last purchase price, while others want to calculate an average. It's totally up to you. Cash inquiry, essential for multi-counter businesses. This feature is extremely useful for businesses with multiple cash counters, such as large pharmacies, medical stores, and other big businesses. Whenever a user logs into their account, their name will appear on invoices and receipts they generate. This helps you track who processed which sale. At the end of the day, you can check which sales were made by which user, how much they sold, assign bonuses accordingly. If you don't need this level of tracking, you can disable it. But if you want complete control, just enable and save the settings. You can even generate unique login IDs for each user. This option is available within the software. Customer overdue payment limit. Keep track of late payments. Need to monitor overdue payments? With this feature, you can define overdue periods such as 30 days, 60 days, or any custom duration. You can find this option inside customer ledgers. Product expiry alerts. Avoid selling expired items. Worried about selling expired products? No problem. If you try to sell or purchase an expired item, the software will automatically alert you. This ensures you never accidentally sell expired products, keeping your business compliant and trustworthy. Decimal point settings. Precision control. Do you need high precision in pricing? You can customize the number of decimal places displayed in your transactions. For wholesalers, you can set it to 0 or 1 decimal place. For highly detailed businesses, you can go up to 3 decimal places. General sales tax. Manage taxes efficiently. This feature is essential for businesses that need to maintain sales tax records. If a product's sale price is 10 rupees, the tax can be adjusted accordingly. You can also increase, decrease, or completely remove tax on certain products. User password change. Secure your account. If you need to change your password, just enter current password, 2, new password, 3, confirm new password. Once saved, you'll need to use the new password next time you log in. Graphical reports, visual insights for your business. Want to analyze sales with graphs and charts? The software supports pie charts, line charts, column charts. Even more graphical reports are being developed for future updates, so stay tuned. Final tip, review all settings before starting data entry. Before you start using the software, go through all these settings to see which options work best for your business. We'll cover more advanced options in the next video. Stay tuned.